Mass and weight. Mass is the amount of matter a body contains, and weight is the gravitational force acting on a body. Mass is measured in kilograms and grams. Weight is measured in newtons. The formula for weight is W equals mg. Distance and displacement. Distance is how far apart 2 points are, and displacement is the straight line distance that a body moves. The formula for distance and displacement is S equals V multiplied by T. Speed and velocity. Speed is the rate of change of distance, and velocity is the rate of change of displacement. The formula for speed and velocity is V equals S divided by T, and it is measured in meters per second. Acceleration. When the velocity of a body increases, it is said to be accelerating. Thus, acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. The formula for acceleration is A equals V2 minus V1 all over T, and it is measured in meters per second squared. Formula triangle. S equals the distance or displacement and is measured in meters. V equals speed or velocity and is measured in meters per second. T equals time and is measured in seconds.